Ooh. If she try swallow today. She need to eat swallow. I know since the country Nigeria, she don't want eat swallow. The way you go eat swallow by force. Which one do you want? Gary or fufu? Which one do you want?
I'll take Gary.
Gary. Okay. Let's eat. Let's
What,
go.
what are we eating?
Vegetable soup.
Oh, vegetables.
Yeah.
Take Gary.
Eat. You have to learn African food. Eat.
What does this mean?
Hmm?
What does this mean now?
Meat.
Yeah, what is
It's
that?
beef now. Leave beef now. It takes soup. You won't carry meat. You know what eat? You won't carry meat. Uh-huh. Confirm. You need to learn how food. How does it taste? Because they don't chew it. You swallow it. Hmm?
You always say swallow. I can't just.
Whoa.
Uh,
You have to your throat. You have to blend it. Use spoon blender to open. So you learn how to swallow. That's how we do it here. Hmm? Look my own. When you do it like this, you go. Nothing will stop it. Well,
what is this?
fufu,
This one.
fufu,
Okay.
gari. I bought gari for her because she don't like fufu. She don't like fufu. I buy gari for her. Well, eat. She go learn o. She dey Africa.
The soup is nice. Very nice.
Oh, hold on. Wait,
I have to.
let me get water.
I have to swallow. I have to chew.
Chew. How do you enjoy it? Chew. How do you enjoy the chew? You will enjoy it now. Hmm?
Look.
Hmm?
Look how it's going.
Yes, now. You grab with the soup. Hmm? This way. If you don't go down, there's a river inside it, my tummy.
A river.
Once you throw it, you hear it. I feel the sound. The sound. Boom. It will go down.
The hair is nice.
Eat. Not every time. Chicken chips.
Yeah.
Sweet potato. East African food. Na wahala.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I say no wahala. Chop. You want to try fufu? Try fufu now. Hmm? Try fufu.
Mm.
Hmm. That's good.
What? No swallow. No chew. What's going on?
Swallow it. Fufu na garri o, na garri. Na usually like this. Something 2 years 1 year pikin here dey swallow. She don wash am. Na run o. Na run be that o.
Woo! It's
Where
spicy.
where am I dey like this now? Na meat, like meat eh. Yeah. I wan tell you.
I want to take meat.
I tell you.
Mm.
She dey eat beef play o.
I eat the
She
meat.
can die for beef.
Mm-hmm.
She don use beef. She don play with beef.
I'm not playing with beef every night.
You don chop finish?
I'm finished.
You don chop finish? Just say yes.
I'm finished.
No use English reply broken.
Oh.
You don chop finish? Yes. Chop a raw beef. Take a raw beef.
Vegetable soup. It's nice, guys, but I can't swallow it.
In Africa, we swallow.
I'm not a swallower.
We don't chew. It's swallow.
I can barely even.
You can even mold a big one like this.
Look at that. That's crazy. No way.
Or this one.
Ah.
Simple now.
I can barely even brush my damn teeth
Hmm?
without gagging. I'm a gagger. That is a lot.
I see wahala. Now to chop
It's nice though. It's
ever
very,
a
very
big problem.
in America, it tastes like collard greens and beef. Like beef and collard.
You know the America, I do Nigeria now.
And this would be like a potato in America. Be
Mm.
like mashed potato.
Ah,
It's very spicy. It's good though.
well, what shall I come make I chop my bullet for?
I'm gonna chop this beef. That's what, that's what I like.
Okay. Now bye bye. You try Abi. She don't try for today. Tomorrow she go do another one. Mona take care.
Okay.
Because me I wan lick my plate. I dey lick plate. I don't want listen. I know Mona notice I dey lick plates.
Yeah.
I lick plates. I will use my tongue lick my plates.
Bye.
Bye bye. Mona take care. Bye.